Welcome back to my channel. And also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah, I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, I'm gonna rewind a bit. This is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm just putting on this Sunbum Coconut Lip Balm, and then I'm going to prime my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base in Nude. And then I'm going to put some Scotch tape on the outer corners of my eyes. And then I'm just taking this Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette, and I'm just putting this nude shade in my crease. I'm going to be honest, I don't really remember which shade is which name. And then I'm putting that shimmery shade on my lid, and then the darker, and then I'm putting this espresso-ish chocolatey brown on my outer corner, and then I'm going to put on the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and then remove the tape because we no longer need that tape. And then I'm going to be using these NYX HD concealers. One is Nude Beige to cover up my blemishes, and then Fair for under my eyes. And then I'm going to go over it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. And I am using a buffer brush to buff all that out. And then next I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Contouring and Highlighting Palette. And I'm just taking the middle two contouring shades in the middle, and then just contouring. And then next I'm going in with this Laura Geller highlighter and Gilded Honey. And then that was the fun part, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing, so bear with me. So I'm just taking some toilet paper and taking out the plies. So there's two plies, so it's all single ply now. And then I'm going in with this Mehron, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, liquid latex. Again, I'm not a big expert on this. I basically learned from YouTube, so again, bear with me. So I'm just applying a layer of latex, and then putting on a layer of the toilet paper, and then going on with another layer of latex, and then more toilet paper, and then I think I did one more layer. You could use, I guess, paper towels, Kleenex too, as long as you can get down to like the single ply, that's good. If you buy it single ply, then great, but if you use double, then just separate the plies. I don't know if that made sense. And then I'm going to go over the toilet paper once it's dried with the foundation that I used earlier. And then don't get scared. I use these scissors to try to like break the toilet paper skin. Be very careful if you decide to use this, but I found that using these little eyelash tweezer things actually worked out a little bit more. So it's safer too, it won't cut you. So I just kind of took apart the latex that we like put on. That way it gives you that scabby effect. And I'm going in with this Nazaroo red face paint, and I'm just kind of like going underneath like the latex and then a little bit over it. And then I'm taking this Queen of Hearts card and trying to put it there. I folded it in half. Oh, well, I guess I am going to tell you that I use this Graftobian blood paste to kind of give it that bloody effect. But I will let you know that I folded this card in half, and I find that probably wasn't the best decision. I should have just cut it in half, but you live and you learn, so that's why the card looks funny. And then I'm just taking that same blood paste and then just kind of drawing a heart around my other eye. And then I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, and I'm taking that red shade and then applying it to my lips. And then I'm going to apply some false lashes, and then set it with the Morphe setting spray. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All of these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye.